Morning guys, June 22nd, 2020. Today I got a call from a customer. She's got an old American Standard system over there it's a 10 SEER and it really needs to be replaced. Been needed to be replaced for years and she's kind of kicking the can down the road, but she's calling me now that it's not working. So we're gonna go by there and Dio, how you doing, Mama? Dio, how you doing? See what's going on with it, Molly. See if we get it to work. Unit's not running, she says, so let's see what's going on. It's an old American Standard. Hello. Was the unit running inside, the fan? Just nothing out here, or this wasn't spinning at all?
No. I checked the fuse box, I couldn't find anything.
Alright, let me take a look in here.
It was working. And then at some point, maybe about 10 last night, just went off.
Yeah, it's pulled in. It's pulled in, but it's not running. Nothing's running, huh?
The fan was running upstairs. I could hear it buzzing on that, like that it had power, but maybe not.
I don't know. We'll figure it out.
I know you will. Thank you for coming over.
Yeah.
If you need me to do anything on the thermostat upstairs, just tell me.
Yeah, it's calling now because I can see it, so. Let's see if we got power coming in here. Yeah, we got 240 coming in. But nothing's running. We got 240 coming in, 240 going out. The fan's definitely not running. Compressors, nothing's running. Odd. We'll have to check the cap, see if the cap's any good. We got power coming in. Fan spins. Maybe we got bad capacitor. We'll check this capacitor. It's not good. We had power going in there, but nothing was running. It's kind of odd. Pull the fan went off and see if we got any. Well, at least the fan should run, right? Microfarads. See what we got there. So we're gonna do the common and the fan, see what we got for. See if we got any juice. So common is here. Nothing. Got a bad capacitor there. You see that's 0. We got a bad capacitor. So what size is that? That's a 45.5. Should have them in the truck. I should have them in the truck. Alright, so I got one here. Maybe we can put that in. Let's see if I get this thing in here. Not that much of a big deal. Alright, so the orange is the fan. No, the orange is the compressor. The brown is the fan. And the other two are common. You can see it's got a little puff to it. It's a 45.5. Alright. The common is a red. And the purple is the common. This is the herm. And this brown is the fan. The fan has one prong. The compressor has 3 prongs, and the common has 4 prongs. I should do it right there. I don't know if this hot stock kit's even any good. Throw another boost on there. Throw another boost kit on there. There was one on there, so I'll put one on the common and one on the compressor side, which is the herm. I have to strap that in there somehow. See if it starts. I'm in here to do a little house cleaning, housekeeping. I should start up now, we'll see. See if it starts. This was definitely a problem. Will it start? Yeah, old American Standard, y'all. The system's a piston, so giving a little bit of juice there. 22 system. SOP should be about 25, which that's close. 70 here in the suction, which is okay. The filters are okay inside. Subcooling's a little bit high, but in the real world things aren't perfect. Get a little bit more. Get it close. Get it close, be good enough for this neighborhood. Not too bad right there. I'll let it run for a bit, but needs a new system here is what she needs. But we put a new capacitor in there, new hot stock kit. is up and running. That I'll be out fine right there, 25 on the superheat. So cooling's a little bit higher than I like to see, but it's doable. Suction pressures 70, it's okay. I'll be out fine right there. Not a pretty one, Mama. Make sure it's got good dripping action. Make sure that there's nothing blocking it while I'm here. Old American standard.